Hey guys, welcome back. You can see there's a few changes in here. It's a bit dirty with some plaster dust, but basically first coat's up of the jointing compound. The corners are done, the joints, tapered joints are done. Very rough first coat. It's very cold the last couple of weeks really, but this stuff just wouldn't dry. It's taken over a week to dry. Packet says 24 hours, so yeah, just waiting around for that. Had to redo this corner. It was a little bit dodgy, real thick in the top corner. You can see it actually came out the thickness of the actual joint there, so that was pretty rough. So I fixed that up, got it roughly smoothed. I'll sand that back a little bit just to taper it properly, and then I'll feather it out a little bit further, probably halfway up to that joint when I do the next coat. Yeah, basically getting there. Hopefully ready to paint soon. The next coat of plaster won't take as long to dry. The weather is warming up a little bit now as well, so hopefully get a decent, nice thin coat across there. Then the third coat will be the final top coat, and I'll just give that a light sand once it's done. So still got a few these nail holes to fill. They shrunk quite a bit. Some of them were driven in too far, like that one. Still got a few to sand as well up on the roof there. And most of it's sanded and smooth to the touch. Most of the holes are cut as well, so most of the power points, the penetrations in the wall are cut. That's all I'm going to do for now in terms of cutting out for different cabling. I'll probably actually do another power point here. I'll probably get one, yeah, put in there, and then I'll probably just, go the middle between them, make it look nicer. But I'm going to need some more power in here. I'm going to get a USB one put over in that corner there. That's just a bank of USBs. I think you can get one with 3, and it's got a little stand on it as well. So if you've got like a phone or something that needs charging, you can just do that. And I'll probably swap these out for ones with USB plugs in them later on. This is obviously network, so I could probably even put a USB in that just to give it a little bit of extra USB. Probably put USB-C or something in there just so the phone can charge, and then the others will be all USB-A to charge the wrapped pills and all those kind of things. That's pretty much it. Just wanted to give a quick update. I did brew a beer on the weekend as well. It was a Tooheys Old Style dark ale from the 1970s, just emulating a 70s recipe with what I had on hand, so that was pretty good. Went pretty well. Pretty much hit all the targets, a little bit off in volume, but gravity is the most important. Happy to drop a extra litre of what I don't keg anyway. Normally brew 42 litres and keg 2 19-litre kegs, so there's always a little bit extra. Anyway, I'll leave it there. Yeah, see you on the next one. If you like the content, just give it a like, subscribe, leave a comment. Pretty good with getting back in the comments at the moment as well, so if you've got any questions or thoughts, just leave it below and I'll jump in and have a chat. Cheers.